Hello, and welcome to today's interior design tutorial. Today, we're going to transform your ordinary laundry room into a charming and functional farmhouse-style haven. We'll be using a variety of components to achieve that rustic, cozy farmhouse look you've always dreamed of. Segment 1, Setting the Foundation. To start, let's create a solid foundation for our farmhouse-style laundry room. Begin by installing beadboard paneling on the lower half of your walls. This classic feature not only adds texture but also sets the farmhouse tone. Segment 2, Cabinets and Countertops. Now, let's move on to our shaker-style cabinets. Choose a timeless, neutral color like white or light gray to keep that farmhouse feel. Install them above and below the counter. Speaking of the counter, we're using a butcher block countertop to bring warmth to the room. Segment 3, Farmhouse Sink and Faucet. The centerpiece of our farmhouse-style laundry room is the farmhouse sink. It's not just for looks, it's incredibly practical too. Pair it with a farmhouse-style faucet for that perfect vintage touch. Segment 4, Open Shelving. Next, we're adding open shelving. These wooden shelves allow you to display your favorite farmhouse-style decor pieces and keep essential items within easy reach. Segment 5, Storage Solutions. Host, Farmhouse-style is all about functionality. Install Cubbies and a Mudroom bench. It's the ideal spot for hanging coats and storing laundry baskets, which we'll get to shortly. Segment 6, Lighting. Let's not forget the lighting. Vintage-style pendant lights or wall sconces with an antique finish will add character and illuminate your workspace. Segment 7, Warming up with reclaimed wood. Host, for that rustic touch, use reclaimed wood as an accent. You can add it as a backsplash or as decorative pieces throughout the room. Segment 8, Utility Sink. Don't forget a utility sink. It's perfect for those messy tasks like hand washing or soaking stained clothes. Segment 9, Barn Door and Barnwood Door. Now, let's tackle the entryway. Install a barn door as a stylish separator. Consider a barnwood door with a weathered finish for that authentic farmhouse look. Segment 10, Organization and Finishing touches. To keep your laundry room organized, use wicker baskets, wall hooks, and washer and dryer pedestals with storage drawers. Finally, add a chalkboard or corkboard for notes and reminders. Conclusion. And there you have it. By incorporating these components into your laundry room, you've created a beautiful and functional farmhouse-style oasis. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that your laundry room now reflects your unique farmhouse taste. Thanks for joining us today, and happy decorating!